What is the Inflation Reduction Act? The Inflation Reduction Act allocates billions of dollars towards clean domestic manufacturing and energy production with the overall goal of reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The program provides homeowners with tax credits and rebates for installing energy-efficient products. The IRA has many important programs for homeowners, including the existing 25C tax credit program, which will increase to 30% of the cost for all eligible purchases of high-efficiency HVAC and water heating products. This includes purchases of qualifying heat pumps, water heaters and boilers made during the year by a taxpayer in a residential home. The 25D Residential Clean Energy Credit offers tax savings for energy product purchases such as solar panels, battery storage and geothermal heat pump installations. Geothermal heat pumps that meet Energy Star product qualifications can receive a tax credit equal to 30% of the product and installation cost to the homeowner. A high-efficiency electric home rebate program is designed for states to provide a point-of-sale rebate program for electrification projects. Though details are still being ironed out by state energy offices and the DOE, the program is intended to support homeowners saving money while installing their electrification projects. The Home Energy Performance-Based, Whole House Rebate Program is designed to support energy savings for homeowners. This is done using an open-source building modeling software, which is defined by the states and complies with BPI 2400. This program does not restrict a specific HVAC or water heating product type, but a home must model or show a certain percentage of energy is saved to receive a rebate. What's the difference between a tax credit and a rebate? A tax credit can reduce the amount of federal tax you owe. It is claimed when you file your taxes. A rebate directly reduces the price of the product and installation. It applies at the point of sale. Bosch Home Comfort has an expansive lineup of Energy Star rated HVAC products that qualify for IRA credits and rebates, including heat pumps, water heaters and boilers. Learn more about the IRA at bosch-homecomfort.us/IRA.